Still working on this video. We're going to look at how to connect to a database, and this one is going to be very brief because it only requires 2 arguments, and this one will call it let's call it database. Okay, and let's give it the function is called MySQL select DB. Okay, it's called MySQL select DB like this, and you feed it with only 2 variables. Okay, now I am using the SQLi function, so we're going to use my SQLi function there. So my SQLi select DB, now the only 2 arguments that it uses is the first one that connects to the database. In this case we have connect, and then the second one is the name of the database. Now if you check, you discover that we created a database here called course1, so we want to connect to course1, and that's what we're going to do. So you are connecting to course1. Okay, that is the name of our database, course1. So I'll save that, and now let's say we are doing this for database. Since we already know our server is connected, so this is for database. Now let me do a Ctrl+S, go to our browser and check. Okay, let me go back and do that again. Cannot connect to database. Okay, so that means there is a mistake somewhere. Let's check that quickly. Okay, the mistake was from me. I spelled course1 wrongly. This is supposed to be an underscore. Okay, so let's check that again, and okay, now we are connected. So it connected to the first one, connected to the database, and the second one connected to the first one connected to the server, and the second one connected to the database. Now there's a different way to connect to the database without connecting to the server. This kind, you just connect to the server and to the database at once. And to do that, let's erase this part, and let's assign our database a name. So let's call that DB, and our DB name is course1. Okay, so now on the MySQLi connect function, you just change it to MySQLi select DB. So this will be MySQLi select DB, and then you give the 4th variable here, which will be DB. Okay, now what this does is it connects to the server, and at the same time connects to what? The database. Okay, now if we check that, if we change this to connect and refresh, you discover, okay, let's see. Okay, so the function is MySQLi connect, not MySQLi select DB. Okay, so it connects to the database, and it connects to the server and to the database at the same time. Okay, so this is how you can connect to a database and how you can connect to a server. Now in our next video, we'll start building a small project, a very small one, that will put all the things we've learned together and create a form that when filled will send the values from the form field into a table in our database. Okay, so I'll see you there.